Hey guys, welcome to Daniel's Tutorials, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can resize a video on CapCut PC. Now it's a very simple way in order to resize videos on CapCut PC. Of course, you need to have your videos first. I've already put mine on the timeline, and what you just need to do is click on your clip and you'll be able to see here transform. It says scale. So basically what we need to do now is just to use the slider up here, this scale, and as you can see you can zoom in, zoom out, and just resize it. You can even use this one over here on your screen in order to resize a video. And another feature that I'd like to show you is the uniform scale over here. You can see that it's currently turned on. If you turn it off, you can see that you can choose now whether you want to scale the width or the height itself. So if you scale the width, as you can see, it will stretch the video horizontally, and if you use the scale height, it will stretch the video vertically. So now you can just play along and try and see what you want to do. And there's also something called ratios over here, which will affect the ratio of your video, if you like it to be 4:3 or 16:9 or a movie size such as 2:5:1. So you can just work on the ratio button over here. So that's it. That is how you can resize videos on CapCut. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.